Imagine if someone invented something worth trillions of dollars and then disappeared forever. No face, no interviews, no photos, just a name. Before we talk about who created Bitcoin, let's talk about what Bitcoin actually is. Imagine money, but instead of keeping it in a bank, everyone shares the same notebook. Every time someone sends money, it gets written into the notebook. That notebook is called the blockchain. In 2008, the world had a big problem. Then a mysterious person posted a paper online. It explained a new kind of money. No bank, no boss, no owner. The paper was signed by someone named Satoshi Nakamoto. But here's the strange part. No one knows who Satoshi is. It could be one person, or a group of people, or someone using a fake name. Satoshi talked online, helped build Bitcoin, and then quietly disappeared. In 2011, Satoshi sent their last message. Today, Satoshi is believed to own over 1 million bitcoins. That's worth billions of dollars, and they've never touched it. Satoshi didn't just create money, they created an idea that people could trade, save, and build without asking permission. Bitcoin showed the world that money doesn't need a ruler. Maybe they're watching quietly, or maybe they wanted the world to focus not on who they were, but on what they built. And that might be the greatest mystery of all.